Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you my recent purchase from Cartier. It is right here. A few days ago, I went to the Cartier to check out my wishlist item, and end up I did not pick up my wishlist item. Instead, I bought this one. So we will do the unboxing first. In this video, I will share with you some model shots, how it goes with me. I also will talk about why I did not pick up my wishlist item. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So before we go further, I will do the unboxing together. I purchased this one for a couple of days and I haven't got a chance to open yet. So here is the receipt, and this is the item right here. So I will do the unboxing right now. So here's the one. Are you ready? Let me show you. It is a small box. Here is the one. It is the Cartier earring, or you can call it ear studs. Before I went to the Cartier that day, I went to the Van Cleef. I was looking for my wishlist item. It is the Van Cleef Sweet Alhambra ear stud. And I want this piece since last year, and I've been waiting for a whole year. I didn't get it, so I just went to store in person, asked SA if possible to get an order. And according to the SA, she told me that currently they don't accept the order for that pair of the ear studs, because she said that since last year they haven't produced a lot of ear studs for that collection. So she said that right now currently we don't accept it, any order, and we don't know when they will reproduce that pair of the earring. So after I heard this, I said, okay, so I probably not able to get this pair of the earring. So I went to the Cartier and I'm looking for the ear stud. The SA immediately introduced me this pair of the earring. I wanted to have one pair of the earring. It's the Sori 18 gold, can wear 24/7, and he suggested this is the one. I said, okay, so let me try on that. After I tried it, I love it so much. I'm gonna show you guys how it goes on me. So that's the reason I bought this one. Let me just put it on right now so you can take a look. Okay, so here is the ear studs that I put on, and you can take a look at how it goes on me. To tell the truth, I was very surprised how pretty it is. After I put it on, I look at it, I just love it. I feel the size is so perfect, and it is small, but it's also not too small. Now they do have a two size. One is like a single one, which is a little bit small than this one. I did ask him to bring out to let me compare. I compared it, and of course this one is bigger than the single one. Now if you want to buy cheaper, like smaller than this one, you can buy two single one. However, the back of the single one is a very tiny, and even he has a problem to open it. So I think that will be a lot of trouble in the future. I said forget about it. I don't even want to try on. I just go direct for this one. So this one, I think the size is so perfect, and I do like this type of the earring because my ear rope is very small. So this one is so perfect. I'm thinking, you know, in the future maybe I will add the rose gold as well. I will see. So now let me talk about the other wishlist item, which is the Cartier Clash bracelet. So I mainly went there. I also because of this. So I went there, and my SA look at my size. He think I should wear the size 15 because my Justin Crew is a 15. So he bought the 15. Let me try. I did a try on in my right hand, and for some reason I just don't feel very comfortable. And then I said maybe it's too tight, too small. So he said, oh, let's just try the size 16. So he took out the size 16. So I wear the both size 15 and the 16. The funny part is the 16 is way too big for my personal opinion, but my SA asked me to try many ways. Then he think I can either get a 15 or 16, but he can tell the 16 will be a little bit comfortable, but it's a little bit loose fit, which I don't want it. But the 15 is a little bit too small, so therefore I said I wish this one has a half size. If they have the 15 and a half, I think that bracelet will be perfect. I said, give me a couple of days, let me think about it. Sometime I probably will go back again if I really miss this one. So I said, let me just go home to think about it and see if I really like it. So now when I get home, I think about it, and I feel like this one is not like the Love or Justin Crew bracelet that make my heart sing. When I first saw it, I just wear it. I do feel like the weight is a little bit lighter than the Justin Crew and the Love bracelet. This is the first thing. The second thing is 15 is too tight and the 16 is too loose. The size wise also really bothers me. I couldn't decide it. Feel like something is not right. That bracelet doesn't really make my heart sing, so I probably think I will pass this one. For the Van Cleef one, I probably will keep waiting, even though I have no much hope for that pair of the earring, but I still will wait and still constantly check with them if they have stock come back. For the Cartier bracelet, I think I probably will pass and think something else. I do want to get a rose gold bracelet to match with a Van Cleef soft bracelet with a rose gold. So this is for today's video. Just update you on my wish list item, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.